ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadijah L. Today we're going to jump right into this video. This wig that I will be installing today is from Nate Styles Hair on AliExpress, and right now I am using Iambeautifulhustler's lace melt adhesive to do my ball cap method. I love doing it with the adhesive because it just gives me a better ball cap. I don't know why, and I just take my bed head, hard head, and I just put that over the top. So in this clip, you know, you're going to see me do the ball cap method. If you do not know how to do a ball cap method and you need a more detailed video, just comment in the box below and I'll let you guys know when I release that video, or if you need a more detailed video on a lace frontal wig install. But today I think this is very detailed and you guys gonna love this outcome. This is just so beautiful and the adhesive is great. I can't wait till you guys to get further in the video to see how this adhesive just works wonders. Like, I just love it. It gave me the best melt ever. But anyway, tuning back into the video, you guys, I'm not going to do too much talking. If you need a more detailed video, like I said before, just comment below or check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys, and thanks for watching. This is True Match Concealer Lace Tint in a dark brown, and what I do, I just spray that into my lace and I blow dry it. So as you can see, when I put on my wig, you will see that my lace matches my skin tone, and that just was, it does the same thing as the makeup. If you don't like using the makeup, then you can use the lace tint, or both of them work wonders. So as you can see, my lace is matching my skin tone flawlessly. It's just so beautiful, and I'm going to start applying the lace melt adhesive from Iambeautifulhustler. As you can see, I think I did about 4 or 5 layers of this adhesive, and as you can see, I'm just spreading it out, and you want to spread it out very good. Spread it out very good. I put a lot because I already know how to manipulate it, so I've been doing this a lot, so I just put a lot because I already know what to do, how to spread it out. But if you're a beginner, just put like a couple of dots. Forget that I am using Beautiful Hustler's lace melt adhesive, ultimate strong hold. I will leave her name in the description box below, and you guys can go to subscribe to her YouTube channel if you haven't, and order this lace glue because I want to witness this melt. It already dried. That was my second layer. I'm doing about 2 more. First, I'm gonna just take a brief moment to read the lace melt directions on the back. It says clean your hairline with 91% alcohol or stronger, which I did. Apply up to 5 thin coats of lace melt adhesive and spread out evenly, no clumps. So as you can see, I spread it out evenly and it's clear. The third one says be sure to allow each coat to turn clear before adding additional coat. The fuck am I talking about? A cloak. But listen, before adding an additional coat of adhesive, let it dry clear like any other adhesive. Just let it dry clear first. Don't rush it. Once I noticed that once you rush the process, like, you gonna fuck up. You really are. And the last step is, after the glue turns clear, attach your lace and let the melt begin. So again, Iambeautifulhustler's lace melt adhesive. I'm gonna make sure you guys see this. You see it? Yeah, you see it. Before cutting my lace, I like to cut slits into it, and then after cutting those slits, I want to go ahead and section out the ear tabs and cut those off. You want to take your time with this step with cutting the ear tabs off, because you don't want to cut too much lace off and then the whole side of your hair line is left out. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time cutting that ear tab off. Make sure you do not cut your ear, by the way. A quick tip that you guys probably have heard 1,000 times: when you're cutting your lace, the best thing I recommend to use is a razor. There's an eyebrow razor that I'm using now, or a razor, whatever your choice, and just go in zigzag motions. Do not go straight across, because you'll be able to see the lace just sitting right on your head. So just go in zigzag motions, because it makes it more undetectable. As you can see, I'm just moving it back and forth. At this point, I'm just going in where the lace did not stick, and I'm just applying a small thin layer of glue under the lace. And this is the better way to do this, because you don't want to put too much glue and then the glue exceeds outside of the perimeter of the lace, and then it's just sticky and ridiculous. So that's why I say always put less glue at first. Now I'm going to apply my Nairobi mousse to my hairline, and after I apply that to my hairline, I am going to use Iambeautifulhustler's melt belt, and I'm just going to wrap that around the hairline, and this just gives me a flawless melt. And then instead of sitting under the dryer, I'm just going to blow dry that area, as you can see. Right now I'm going in and I'm about to customize my baby hairs. So when you see me plucking, what I'm doing is thinning it out, because you don't want your baby hairs to be too thick. You want to at least thin them out so they can be natural, and the best way to do that is just pluck that section out, a small area, and just pluck it a little bit. And I use my gel to just style them, and that's about it for the baby hairs. You can use mousse, Dr. B glue, gel, the spray, whatever works best for you. So you guys, this part is just so hilarious to me. So anyway, I use my eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs, right? And I think after this I'm going to start using the god dang scissors, because look at what happens. Not paying attention, rushing, I just cut off the tail of my eyebrow, but it'll grow back and I feel a man anyway, so whatever, that's fine. But be careful, you guys. So with this wig, I'm just going to do a simple middle part, and this is Iambeautifulhustler's wax stick that I am using, and I'm just molding the hair back, and I'm going to go in with my hot comb, of course, after this. The only thing that I have in this spray bottle is water, and then I took my Nairobi mousse and I just defined the curls with that. But I usually just use water and Nairobi mousse for my curly hair, or sometimes I might use a leave-in conditioner, and that's about it when I'm detangling my curly hair. And I just let it air dry. I have tried the whole cool blow dryer thing, but I like it better when it air dries. This hair gets very big, by the way, after it dries, but it turned out real beautiful. Like, I loved it. So as you can see, I'm just detangling this hair like I said, and you're gonna see a couple clips in the end of the finished product. But you guys, look at that lace, and this is a Swiss lace, by the way, so you know their laces are not too thick, they're not too dark. It is tintable, it tints fine, exactly. And I did bleach the knots on this frontal, so that didn't take me anything but about 15 minutes to bleach the knots on this frontal. I did not get any over bleached knots, but you're gonna see me go in with my Beijing anyway, just to define my middle part a little more. So as you can see, this is some pretty good hair. Look at, as soon as I just spray the water on it, it just shrink back up, like the curls came right back in place. So anyways, you guys, thank you for watching again, and stay tuned for the end results. Yes, ladies and gents, this is Slay to the Gods, honey. Look at that lace, honey. Look at that lace. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on these looks that you can get at home. And don't forget to go order Iambeautifulhustler's lace melt adhesive. It will be in the description box below. That next week I did do the up-down style with this hair, and I didn't record it, but I will redo that for you guys upon request. But anyway, look at that lace. Look at it. Thanks for watching, you guys.